The 2025 BYD Dolphin is set to make a big splash in the electric vehicle market, especially in Australia. With its February 2024 debut just around the corner, this budget-friendly EV is expected to deliver advanced technology at an even more attractive price, positioning itself as a formidable contender on the global stage. While the exterior sees subtle upgrades like new alloy wheels, a sophisticated Atlantis gray paint option, and rear privacy glass, the real excitement is inside the cabin. BYD has focused on enhancing the Dolphin's interior with a high-speed 50-watt wireless charger and a new Type-C USB port, ensuring your devices stay powered on the go. Additionally, expect improved seating comfort, with front seat ventilation cooling to keep you refreshed during drives. Powering the Dolphin is a reliable set of motors, offering either 70 kilowatts or 150 kilowatts. But the real highlight is the new high-endurance version, boasting a driving range of over 500 kilometers, perfect for long journeys without the worry of constant recharging. In Australia, the current Dolphin models offer ranges from 340 to 427 kilometers, depending on the testing standard. The 2025 version promises to push these boundaries even further, though whether this comes from battery upgrades or efficiency tweaks remains to be seen. Analysts in China predict potential price drops for the updated Dolphin, which could make it even more appealing. Currently, the most affordable model in Australia starts at 38,890 Australian dollars, and if Chinese price trends affect the local market, we could see a new wave of affordable EVs hitting Australian roads. Stay tuned to see how this unfolds. Beyond the specs, what truly sets the 2025 BYD Dolphin apart is its potential to reshape the Australian EV market. With its combination of affordability, cutting-edge features, and impressive range, the Dolphin is poised to make electric driving accessible to a broader audience. If BYD manages to maintain or lower prices while enhancing performance, the Dolphin could become a game-changer, accelerating Australia's transition to sustainable transportation. All eyes are on BYD as they prepare to unveil what could be the most compelling affordable EV yet.